Okay, I'm going to show you how to get the drive out of an HP all-in-one. I discourage people buying all-in-ones because of this factor. Getting your data out or doing a hard drive replacement, as we're going to do, can be miserable. Okay, make sure there's no other. Good. There we go. It's like shucking a crab, for crying out loud. Make sure I don't pull any cables. There it goes. Okay, set that off. Plug the SATA connector. There we go. What year we got? 2016. 8 years old. Crazy. So, I'm going to throw one of these at it. One of these. Clean it out. And maybe this thing will work properly again. Okay, got our solid state mounted. The original holder with an adapter. Blow the fan out. Got lots of RAM. Snap this horrible design back together. Yes, you will end up with some weight savings afterwards. Hey, what are you going to do? It's an 8-year-old PC at this point. First, drop the screw. Actually, this one's a little bit magnetic. Maybe it'll work better. Here we go. Yep. That did the trick. Now, put the foot on again. There. Now, this is only a Core i3 6th generation. It is never going to run Windows 10. So, the customer knows that. They want a clean install of Windows 10 anyway to get another year out of it. So this one. Plug in my. Actually, I don't even need to. I can just use the keyboard and mouse they brought. Put the little Bluetooth dongle back in. That It's power somewhere, isn't it? Yep. Let's see if we can get to the boot menu here. See what happens. Looks like it's installing. Lovely. This is on its way to becoming useful for at least another year. Hope you enjoyed. Metal Dog Machines, 403-871-2222.